Is your DVR showing no signal or no video? Don't worry, here's the real fix in under 2 minutes. This is a very common issue.
What
Your
is
screen
going
goes
on with
black
this thing?
or shows no signal, even
Everything
when
is
everything
plugged in.
seems connected. First, check your HDMI or VGA cable. A loose or damaged cable is the most common cause. Next, restart your DVR. Turn it off, wait 30 seconds, and power it back on. Make sure you've selected the correct input, HDMI 1 or HDMI 2. Wrong input means no signal. Check your camera power supply. If the camera isn't getting power, you won't see any video. Sometimes it's a resolution mismatch. Set your DVR to a resolution supported by your monitor. Try connecting your DVR to another monitor or TV to confirm the issue. In most cases, the issue is caused by cable problems, resolution mismatch, or power issues. Subscribe for more CCTV troubleshooting tips, and don't forget to like this video.